You just found out you're pregnant. Congratulations. I know, such an exciting time, but if you notice little bit of a bleeding or a spotting in early pregnancy, it can feel really scary. Or this is normal to feel anxious and worried. It's okay to have these feelings. Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Bansal, consultant gynecologist at Nerul, Navi Mumbai. Today we are going to talk about spotting in an early pregnancy, why it happens and when you should seek medical attention. Here's the thing, light spotting in early pregnancy is very common, especially in the first trimester. Sometimes it's just a tiny bit of a blood, or other times it can be mistaken for a normal period. It's why most of the women don't even realize that they are pregnant yet. Most importantly, in the majority of cases, your baby is perfectly healthy. You don't have to panic at the first sight of spotting. Let's start by understanding the bleeding in the first trimester. About 20% of women experience some form of bleeding during the first 12 weeks. It's natural to feel scared when you see blood, because your mind immediately jumps to the worst scenario, which is miscarriages. But here's the important point. Light spotting does not always mean something is wrong. Bleeding in the first trimester can be completely normal given that we have investigated the cause. It's body's way of adjusting the pregnancy. The key is to notice the amount of color, how you feel along with it. It's light, pink or brown and you feel well otherwise, it's usually harmless. So while it's important to pay attention, to try not to get panic, most women with light bleeding go ahead to have completely healthy pregnancies. Now let's talk about the very common reason for early bleeding in pregnancy. That's implantation bleeding. That happens when the fertilized egg attaches itself to the inner lining of the uterus. It usually occurs very early and sometimes even before you know you're pregnant. The spotting is usually very light pink or brownish. It often stopped on its own and after a day or two. Many women mistake this for a very light period. It's why some of the women don't even realize that they are pregnant, and at this stage of implantation bleeding is completely normal and not harmful for your baby. It's important to know that implantation bleeding is usually mild and brief. If the bleeding is heavy and accompanied by the pain, that's when you need to contact your doctor. Of course, bleeding can be sometimes a signal of miscarriage, especially in the first trimester. A miscarriage is more likely when the bleeding is very heavy, bright, and accompanied by a very strong cramps, clot, or some tissue passing. But spotting alone doesn't mean you're losing your baby. Most women with light bleeding have normal, healthy pregnancies. It's natural to feel anxious when you see blood, but it's also important to observe your symptoms carefully. Keep a track of amount, color, and any pain you experience. This information helps your doctor determine if there's a risk and can guide you safely. A rare cause of early pregnancy bleeding is ectopic pregnancies. It is when the fertilized egg grows outside the uterus, usually in the fallopian tubes. Ectopic pregnancies can be serious if not detected early. Symptoms may include spotting, one-side abdominal pain, giddiness, or fainting. Another rare cause of bleeding in first trimester is molar pregnancy, where abnormal tissue grows in the uterus instead of a baby. Signs may include spotting, severe nausea. Sometimes the uterus may feel larger than your expected gestational age. Although it's rare, but it's important to recognize these symptoms and consult your doctor quickly. Molar pregnancies require medical attention, but with the proper care, complication can be managed safely. Sometimes spotting happens because of change in the cervix. During pregnancy, blood flow increases to the areas of uterus and cervix, making it very sensitive. Even normal activities like sexual intercourse or routine pelvic examination can cause little bleeding. Usually, this is nothing to worry about. Your body is just adjusting to change in pregnancy. In some cases, spotting can be caused by an infection. Infection can irritate the uterus and cervix and cause slight bleeding. Your doctor can help you to diagnose and treat infection safely to make sure your pregnancy is healthy. Always check if you notice any unusual bleeding with discomfort or other symptoms like abnormal discharge and eating. Bleeding after the first trimester is less common. but it can occur. This needs careful evaluation because it may indicate a condition affecting your placenta or cervix. Do not panic, but always get it checked by your gynecologist, ensuring everything is okay. One reason of second trimester bleeding is placenta previa. It is when the placenta grows too low or partially or completely covering the cervix. Placenta previa can cause bright red, painless bleeding. It's important to avoid vaginal examination or sex if you're diagnosed, as these can trigger heavier bleeding. Your doctor will monitor you and guide delivery plans. It's just how the placenta has developed. And with proper care, most women have safe deliveries. Another cause of bleeding in second trimester is placenta abruption, where the placenta separates from the uterine wall before the delivery. This can cause pain, cramps, or heavy bleeding. This is an emergency. Immediately, hospital care is needed to protect mother and baby both. Warning signs includes strong abdominal pain, contractions, heavy bleeding. If you notice this, go to the doctor right away. Vasa previa is rare, but it's serious. This happens when the fetal blood vessel crosses near the cervix. Spotting can be early warning sign. If not treated promptly, it can be dangerous for baby. Immediate hospital care is essential. Look out for painless bleeding or signs of fetal distress. These symptoms require urgent medical attention. Finally, another reason to watch for bleeding is preterm labor. So to wrap up, spotting in early pregnancy is often normal, especially in the first trimester. But it's important to pay attention to color, amount, and any accompanying symptoms. Light, brief spotting usually isn't it a cause of worry, but heavy bleeding, severe pain, giddiness, or unusual symptoms should prompt a call to a gynecologist immediately. If you have any questions about spotting or early pregnancy, drop them in the comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more guidance on pregnancy, women's health, caring for you and your baby.